Mathematical versus word sentences. A mathematical sentence is a fact, it may be either true or false, that combines two expressions, written in mathematical symbols, connected through a comparison operator between them. This comparison operator may be one of the following: equal to, greater than, smaller than, greater than or equal to, and smaller than or equal to. Mathematical sentences are used to express word sentences in a much shorter way, where words are replaced with math symbols. Obviously, the symbols used in formulas must be widely recognized by scientists, that is, a specific math symbols conform to an agreed global standard and are used to express the same quantity in all textbooks. Thus, instead of writing, speed is equal to distance traveled in a given time, we simply write v equals d over t, where v is the symbol used for speed, d shows the traveling distance and t represents the time taken for the travel. That is all for lesson 8.1.1. To continue this tutorial, please watch 8.1.2. What is a formula? How do we write formulas? Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.